Hello, welcome to Juris blog. Why Juris blog? Juris blog is a platform that allows you to teach, learn and connect with people in your community. As a law student, I know how difficult it is to understand concepts, principles that are taught in law. You're thrown into this new world of different terminologies, different principles, and sometimes you need a little help understanding them. Now, you get to learn from your peers that might know better than you and from your seniors in the profession. And you also get to teach others from the aspects for which you know better. As a legal practitioner as well, you get to impact the ones coming behind by teaching them and also connecting with your peers, discussing cases, discussing new principles and advancing your career. But the most important part of this platform is connecting with the general community. Most Nigerians do not know their basic rights. We do not know the laws that govern us, we do not know the rights that we're entitled to, and we do not even know our civic responsibilities. Now, this platform is going to break down these principles to the barest minimum, not the jargons that are written on paper, but how it actually affects the lives of the everyday Nigerians. So every Nigerian, from the minimest age to the oldest, should be able to understand their rights, their privileges and their civic duties in the simplest terms. And we also know that when it comes to actually getting legal relief in Nigeria, it is such an Herculean task. But then how can we make this service accessible to everybody regardless of their social status or their economic abilities? So Juris blog is also going to provide information pro bono to people that need legal assistance, legal aid, and also connect them with lawyers willing to take up these cases for free or for a bare amount. So now, this platform is open to law students, legal practitioners, and general members of the society. The aim of this platform is to promote legal education in Nigeria. I hope you join us on this journey.